everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about Embassy Yelahanka, a premium residential development in North Bangalore, strategically located near Stonehill International School and the upcoming Embassy Knowledge Park. If you are looking for a home that offers spacious residences, lush green surroundings, sustainable living and excellent opportunity, then this project is definitely worth a closer look. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Developed by the Embassy Group, Embassy Yelahanka is part of a landmark 200 plus acre Embassy Knowledge Park Township, and the residential phase itself is spread across 14 plus acres and features 855 thoughtfully designed homes. One of the biggest highlight of this project is its focus on sustainable luxury, and the community has been planned as a low density development surrounded by greenery. With more than 4,000 trees planned across the township, beautiful landscape open spaces, wellness-focused infrastructure, and thoughtfully designed community area creates a peaceful living environment while still keeping you well connected to Bangalore's major business hubs and the international airport. If we talk about the location, so the Embassy Yelahanka enjoys a strategic address in one of the North Bangalore's fastest growing corridor. Stonehill International School and Embassy Knowledge Park are both just 2 minutes away from the project. KIADB Aerospace Park is around 15 minutes away, while Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Bellary Road NH44 is just about 10 minutes away, Manyata Tech Park is around 30 minutes away, and Hebbal is roughly 30 to 35 minutes from the project. The neighborhood also offers easy access to reputed schools, hospitals, shopping destinations, and upcoming metro connectivity, making everyday life extremely convenient. And now coming to the lifestyle amenities, so Embassy Yelahanka has been designed around wellness, recreation, and sustainable living. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, landscape garden, jogging and cycling track, reflexology pathways, children play area. And now if we talk about the apartment configuration, so the 2 BHK residences offer approximately 1,330 square feet of super built-up area with the prices starting from 1.76 crore rupees onwards. The 2.5 BHK homes come with around 1,598 square feet and starts from 2.09 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK residences offer approximately 1,896 square feet with the prices starting from 2.55 crore rupees onwards. And if you are looking for even more space, the 3.5 BHK homes offer around 2,140 square feet with the prices starting from 2.84 crore rupees onwards. All the apartments feature spacious living and dining areas, efficient layout, premium specification, excellent natural light, cross ventilation, and a large balconies overlooking beautiful green surrounding. And if we talk about the booking opportunity, so the special pre-launch pricing is currently available for privilege voucher holders. The expression of interest amount is 3 lakh rupees for 2 and 2.5 BHK homes, while it's 5 lakh rupees for the 3 and 3.5 BHK residences. During your site visit, you will receive a detailed presentation on the floor plan, master plan, tower positioning, amenities, and the latest pricing and payment plans, investment insights, and complete assistance with the booking process. So for brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.